like the idea of this color. Hello, I'm Judy, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you saw in the title, we are doing a haul. I have finally found time to give my pantry a makeover, and what better way to complete a makeover than to purchase some new products. In today's video, I'm going to show you the different organizing products that I'll be incorporating into the space, and I'll give you some reasons why I'll be incorporating these into my space. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. And the first store is none other than Target, or Target as many of us say. After many years of dodging Target, I know, why would I dodge Target? But I kind of just didn't really care for Target. And it wasn't until someone told me to go purchase something from Target when I discovered how many organizing items they had in their store. I was so in awe when I discovered this. So the first thing I purchased from Target is this stackable bin. So this is just one of them, and I did purchase two of them so that they can be stackable. And I really believe that this will be a perfect addition to my space. And I currently use stackables, but the larger size of these, under the sink in my kitchen, and it works perfectly for organizing all of my soaps and hand soaps for my kitchen area. And I knew I had to bring this into another space. I love the color. I love how minimal it looks. It's very sleek. It's just simple, and that's the look that I'm going for. So the next organizing product that I purchased from Target are these bread kind of baskets. At least that's what they're called. They're called like bread containers or storage or something. And the reason why I purchased these were because, first of all, they give the minimal look that I'm looking for. And I really love how open they are. Even though I will be using a label on this container, you don't need one. And it's just so sleek. It's metal. I think it comes in a couple other sizes, but this was just perfect. I did purchase 3 of these, and I love symmetry. And if it's not 3, I must purchase 4. So I did purchase 3 of these, and I'm super excited to use these. I have used these already in my space. I use them in my kitchen, and I'm so excited to use them again in my pantry. They're so beautiful. Ugh. I just want to cuddle with, it may be a little hard, but I just want to cuddle with it. I love this item. So what else did I purchase from Target? Oh, you know what? The third thing that I purchased from Target are these metal black containers. I don't have them with me in this video, but I will show you them. These are amazing. They're actually meant for logs or wood, but I feel like there's a place for them. They may not go in my pantry, but there's somewhere in my space that I think these will fit perfectly. I'm just still looking for it, but they are black and sleek, and they kind of go with the look that I love, the aesthetics, so to speak, that I love. And they were actually on sale. So the moment I saw them, I knew I had to get them. I just knew it. I knew I had to get them. I wasn't gonna leave them there. All right, I think that's all I purchased from Target. I did purchase other things from Target, but those items are not for my pantry. So let's move on. So the next store that I went to was none other than Ikea, of course. I mean, there's no way that I'm gonna organize a space without going to Ikea. And I really believe that Ikea is a great place to purchase organizing products because they're extremely inexpensive. So with that said, one of the items that I purchased I purchased a lot of them. This bad boy. I mean, the moment that my eyes saw these, I fell in love. First of all, you can already see how sleek this is. I mean, it looks like a really simple, plain white box, and it kind of is, but what I love about it is the top. The top is, I don't even know how to remove this easy. It typically takes me a while to take this off. So that means it seals the way that I need it to seal, and it's see-through. So when I do add the components into this bin, it'll be easy for me to look inside and see what's in it without opening it. I purchased about 6 of these and they will go on the bottom shelf. I'm so excited to see how this looks afterwards. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So the next item that I purchased from Ikea are these little containers, of course. These are the Ikea 365 and I just had to purchase them. First of all, they're extremely inexpensive, especially compared to those other higher end storage containers. These are similar to OXO products. Those are of course perfect and they work great in spaces, but I was looking for something more budget friendly and something that was actually slim. My goal was to find a product that was slim in nature because I do have a small pantry and I want to be able to fit enough things in my pantry without it looking cluttered. And I feel like these bins, because they're so skinny, I'm able to add a lot of these in the pantry without making it seem so cluttered and seem so packed. Like I said, they're extremely inexpensive. This one in particular, I think was about $3.99 and the bigger one was about $4.99. Compared to their competition, this was just a steal. So I had to buy a lot of them. And yeah, I'm super excited. In the bigger containers, I will house all of my cereals, my oats, all of my pastas. I can't wait to put these items to use. And yeah, let's go on to the next item. Next, let's go to none other than, of course, TCS, the Container Store. So one of the items that I purchased from the Container Store are these amazing, beautiful wicker baskets. I had to purchase these items because I believe that they will fit perfectly in my pantry. I wanted to purchase an item that was square shaped because I believe that this streamlined look is kind of the look that I'm going for. So I purchased this bad boy. I've actually purchased 3 of these and I know that they will just fit perfectly in my space. I mean, oh man, I just love the smell of this. First of all, I know it's kind of weird, but it just smells so like woody. And yeah, they're just easy. I mean, perfect. So the next items that I purchased from the Container Store are these down here. Trying to come up slowly. Is this beautiful baby. I love her. I wanted to bring in a color that of course looks good with white and looks good with the wicker baskets. And this was what I found. And I love her. What I love about her is that she does come with cloth. So if anything spills in here, it's less likely to spill on top of your shelves. And yeah, I just love the look of this. It just looks very sleek. It's simple and it's just gonna fit well. I believe it's gonna fit well in my space. So I'm super excited to use these. What I'll be putting in these are either like the excess items. So for those beans or the rice that I'll be putting in those storage containers, I'll put the excess in here. And yeah, I really love these. I just love them. I love everything, guys. I love everything. So the next item that I purchased from the Container Store are these bad boys. When I first walked into the Container Store, I was looking for another type of container and unfortunately they didn't have it. But luckily, one of the amazing staff found this. And this is similar to what I was looking for. I do like the contrasting colors. Well, they're not really contrasting, but I like these 2 different colors, the wood color and then the white. I just really love how they look together. I'm so on the edge with this. I really love the look, but I don't know how it will look with everything else. So I may or may not use this in my pantry, but I feel like I had to purchase it just in case. Just in case I changed my mind, I wanted to make sure I had a backup. So this bad boy is my backup. We'll see if I use it. See? So the next item that I purchased from the Container Store are these shelves. Oh gosh, sorry guys. Okay, it's too heavy. Let's put her down. I will be changing out my shelves, and I was looking for something that was inexpensive but also fit the dimensions that I needed. And I found some at the Container Store. I went to Home Depot and Lowe's, and unfortunately they didn't have the size that I needed, and the Container Store did. So I purchased those bad boys, and I'm super excited to install those into my pantry. In my pantry makeover video, you will see some clips of me installing these into the pantry. The last item that I purchased from the Container Store are these labels. I love labels, and as you saw in my last video, I've used these labels before, and I just really love the look of the black labels on just kind of simple, minimal look. So yeah, I did purchase some items from Amazon, of course, and what I ended up purchasing were some clear bins. I did want to bring in clear bins into the space because my space is small, and when things are clear, it just, like I said, gives the space a more spacious look. It gives it that illusion that there's more space than there really is. And in those clear bins, I plan on keeping all of my canned goods and all of my box goods in those clear bins. And I also purchased some adhesive lights. These adhesive lights will attach to the bottom of the shelves, and I wanted to bring in more brightness, more light into the space, and I believe that adding light is the best way to do so. So yeah. So it may seem like I purchased a lot of items, but I really didn't. The items that I did purchase are items that I'll be using in my space, and I really wanted to just give my pantry a makeover, a facelift, as well as create more space and more order. So let me ask you a question. When it comes to organizing products, what store do you go to? Let me know in the comment section below. And I'll also be creating a blog post. So if you're interested in learning more about these products and where I purchase them, feel free to check out my blog article at rescuemyspace.com. So you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And of course, I'll see you soon. Bye.